Get very far back from it. So this is going to have to do. Okay, and here we have a Renee. You can smile pretty, honey? Yeah, look at her. And her cute little new outfit. Look at that. And here's Adam. And I never saw that shirt before. I think that's new.
It is
Yeah, look at that. And what is he holding? What is that, Adam?
a big tractor.
Okay, you want to turn it around and show it to me so I can get a picture of it? Well, that looks like a honker and a half. Look at that. Okay, can you pull it back a little bit? Towards it, that a boy. Okay, well that's really nice. That's a what? A tractor? Looks to me like a big-sized dump truck. What do you think?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, okay.
Big-sized dump truck.
All right. Now, most of the kids' toys they've already taken upstairs, so we have very little down here, but we're going to look at what we have.
Oh, yeah, I want to tell you something.
Oh, what's that?
I got a gun, and I got a dump truck, and I got new underwears, and new socks, and new pants, and new shirts, and a new belt. And I got new tools downstairs, and I got another saw for Christmas. I did.
All of that.
All that stuff for Christmas.
Well, it sounds like to me like you got an awful lot of stuff. Must mean you were a pretty good little boy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only,
Just a minute, Renee.
I want to tell you something. Only Santa didn't bring that.
Who did?
My mom and dad brought it for us. And
Oh.
then, they were hiding it in the closet in the room.
Oh, that's what they did, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
So we couldn't see them. And then when Mom wanted to wrap them up and put them under the Christmas tree. See my baby? Adam and Renee, get out of here. Adam and Renee, get out of here.
Okay.
See my baby?
All right, now, what do we... Okay, pull it back, honey. It's too close. I can't see. Oh, look at that. What do you got? A nice little baby with a stroller.
Her name is Nikki.
What's baby's name?
Nikki.
Nikki?
Yeah.
What a pretty name.
Yeah.
Okay. I saw something else back there, too. What's that thing back there in the corner? What's that thing back there?
Right back behind you, Nate.
What's that behind you, Renee?
Turn around.
It's a motorcycle or a three-wheeler.
Yeah, what's that? Is that a bike back there, Renee?
Yeah, hop on that motorcycle. Show Grandma how you make her go.
Whose motorcycle is that?
Renee's.
Renee, whose is that?
Renee.
It's Renee's. Well, that ever something. Grandma's too close. I can't get all. That's a girl right away from. Great. Wow, you can really make it go, can't you? Okay.
And you know what? I can make this go better. I can make it go. I can make it go crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's Daddy's doing something over there? I don't know what.
Yeah, I'm pulling a piece of my ceiling off. I was looking up here. I noticed that might be able to fall on somebody's head.
Oh, I see.
I'm just peeling a piece of my
Okay. Justin's been doing a lot of remodeling in the house. Well, I guess the table's in the way here. Moving walls and such. That doorway was enlarged. That's not the size it was before. Okay, what, honey?
Can't do that, brother.
Tony, Adam.
Oh, yeah, you want to show me your gun?
Yeah.
Where are you? Holy moly.
Wait, you know how you do this?
Hey, back up, sweetheart. You get too close and I can't see.
You know how you do this? You just...
Wow. Listen, go stand in the kitchen doorway and make that work for me. Stand in the kitchen. That's all right. Turn around. Well, that's certainly a noisy one, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah, purse.
Oh, what have you got, Renee? Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Yes.
My
Okay, what else did did Mom and Daddy get you, Renee? What else did you get for Christmas? Adam, can you move over a little so I can get... Thank you. What else did you get for Christmas, honey?
Christmas stuff and a baby.
Christmas stuff and a baby? Yeah, okay. The dog that keeps coming through, his name is Tasha.
Here, Tash.
Where's Tosh?
Come on. We gotta get you on the video. Hey, we'll get close up. Here, over here, Tash.
Oh, yes. Okay.
There's Tash. Every time she walks past the tree and her tail hits the tree, we got needles that fall off.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right.
You can't sign up my fur.
Take that.
Okay, me. Underdog and How the Grinch Stole Christmas.
So, yeah, that's
I was gonna rent this at Blockbusters last night for $3 a tape.
that's pirated, but it's a copy of it anyway. And that Underdog, that was your hero when you were little.
That's right. That used to be my.
Okay, we're going to start. Go ahead, kids. I got brought them just a little boxes here to open.
Yeah, I got a tractor.
You got a what?
Whoa.
A tractor.
Another tractor.
I got a tractor. And I got a dump truck.
Well, I think that must go with your dump truck then. What do you think? Oh, well, Renee's getting down to the bottom of that in a hurry. What is it? What is it? Look at her. What is it? I didn't know it, Justin, but it's got to be assembled.
All right, you got a baby crib?
Can you get that out of there, honey?
I can't.
There might be some little wires holding that in.
I can't.
Okay, well, we'll have to
In your ass.
see what we can do then. Get some wires.
Baby's bed. Baby's got a nice bed now.
Hang on here, Dad. Let's put it together. Hang on.
Can't get her at him?
I've got some
See if there's some wires to twist. Here, Mom will give you a hand.
I'll go get a pair of scissors.
And Daddy's assembling.
A baby crib.
I wanted to make
For 4 years to learn how to do this stuff.
I wanted to make a little mattress and
Right in the middle.
pillow and stuff, and I didn't get the opportunity. I have to do that yet, but I figured Deb might have some receiving blankets yet that she could use.
Yep, sure do.
Okay, dog. Dog just upended me.
She's got to have some attention too.
Oh, of course.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, getting it.
Screwdriver.
Listen, you need some sharper snippers, huh?
Well, usually there's wires that you undo or something.
Yeah, it's really hard plastic.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we got them off. There, what we got on the bottom now? Same thing? One more. Two more? One more. Free! It's free.
Wow.
That's nice.
Oh, are you going to put your dolly in that and try that, Renee?
Trencher.
Yeah. I have a thing right here in the way. I gotta.
What you got me?
A bed, right? For the baby.
Oh, you got a pretty bow in your hair. Oh,
Getting
pretty
kind of-
decals.
I get try and sneak up without jiggling too much. Okay, there's Renee's little crib.
How'd you do that? These little handles. Is Dad going after some tools? Oh, that's got to go on the bottom.
Yeah, it'll make the baby rock. Daddy's got to get some screwdriver to tighten that up with, honey?
Pretty details. Want it up on the couch?
No, it can be on the floor. I just had to move this thing. It was in the way. Now I'm crooked. I'm having a terrible time here.
A crib.
You want to show Grandma what you did with your saw then?
Did you get a new saw, did you say, Mr. Adam? Did you make something?
Yeah, my name.
You did what?
My name.
You made your name?
I wrote it. Ah.
You got a broken A though.
I know you put that in front of me and I can't focus. Oh, here we go. I got it. You cut that out on your name, or on your new saw?
Yeah. Wait,
You did by yourself?
I got it. I did it on my new soul for Christmas. I did.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
You really did that?
Yeah, I got two souls now.
Wow. And you cut your initials out like that, your letters.
Like, you know what? I got one soul with the sharp things, with the sharp tooth in the front. It stands up and you take one and you... Only they helped me with that, so I can't break it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And Renee just put her baby here in my lap. I'm going to try to hold it out. We're here. Can we see? Are we too close?
Yeah.
She's got eyes that open and close.
Well, I got her too close. There. Oh, isn't that pretty? Now, if I lay her down, her eyes will shut. Oh, look. Yes. Isn't that nice? What else are you showing me?
Receiving blanket.
What is that underneath the tree?
Just some nail clothes.
That's not what it looks like.
Oh, the train?
Looks like a train track. We got a train running around there?
Yeah, but you know what the problem is dust balls keep settling on top of the track and shorting the train out when it wants to go
I
through.
vacuumed them all up. But the engine's still running.
And I've lost the focus here.
I'll put the engine on.
There, the focus, it just refocused. Okay,
Yeah,
there's
yeah,
some
yeah.
paper. Oh, it went right over it.
Cool.
The other part's kind of...
Here we go, all the way around underneath the Christmas tree.
Yeah, we got dust balls on the track and it keeps shorting it out.
I don't know if I'm too close or what. It keeps focusing. Or I mean, yeah, blurring. Here we go.
Going kind of fast.
Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm moving too fast.
Mom, turn it off.
Move a little slower. I can't follow it all the way around, but... And that's underneath our Christmas tree. Well, that's a pretty cute idea.
Probably nobody else in the whole world ever thought of that.
Oh, I'm sure.
Train into the Christmas tree?
Yeah, I'm sure.
That's kind of unique. you know?
Unique, right, original.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, let's go back and see how Dad is doing with the baby cradle.
Yeah. I don't have my cordless screwdriver, so I gotta do it the old-fashioned way.
Oh, what a pity. Hear that, Mama? He doesn't have a cordless screwdriver.
Well, I do, but I can't find the bit for it.
Oh.
So
Better send him to Crazy Betty's.
I've got to use my son's screwdriver that he got for Christmas.
Oh.
Somewhere.
Use Adam's toys, huh? And Renee is sitting right there waiting.
How the
Hang
fish
on,
go
Nene.
to
Hang
Christmas.
on. Take her out,
That's a
Nene.
good one. I have to see that
Take her
this
out.
year.
There we go. Let's get this blanket in here.
I can't find receiving blankets, but I know I do have some for my
I don't know how you do this. There you go. There. Lay her down in that and it should be nice and comfy.
Oh. This is wiggling because I'm trying to move and get up. Okay. Straighten.
The bows came untied.
Hey, what you got here?
I got a new transmitter.
Okay, now it's going to focus
Take
in.
it outside and you run it in some dirt. And you lower it down and
Yeah.
scoot the dirt out. And then you pick the dirt up. and you
See if I can get back. Some.
You get this lever here, it goes,
Pretty big.
dumps it right in.
Cover her up.
See it like
And
this?
then see this? This goes.
And then
Rocker, man.
There, now she's got a bed.
Yeah.
they got
Rocker. That's pretty.
Oh, isn't that your new little baby? Grandma have to make you blankets and
you scoop up the ground.
pillow for that, huh?
And you
Give her
take
her
it.
little,
and
little
you dump
bear
it.
underneath the chair, Nate. She lost her little bear.
Okay.
Cool.
I didn't put names on that stuff, but that other thing sitting there is yours, Debbie.
Oh, for me?
Just a little
Thank you,
something.
thank you.
I got Justin had little joke tapes there, so
Oh,
Yeah, I
he
get
likes
the,
the Grinch.
Yep.
when he was little, his hero was Underdog. So when we saw that tape, I had to have it.
The big shrink.
Yeah, I was just telling him, John has always said that
Hey, I
the
like
Grinch was his.
Underdog. Hey, Grandma, I like Underdog.
You do?
What we got here?
Yeah, John has always said the Grinch was his favorite tape. And so I bought it for him, and then Mike says his favorite tape is a Grinch. And then 2 days later, Justin says his favorite tape is a Grinch. So I opened John's and pirated 2 copies of it.
That's good. What's Mama got, Nate? Should we open this?
Yeah.
Yeah, she says.
Oh, look at the ribbon. Come on, this is getting tighter, honey. You gotta tear the paper a little bit. Oh, what's in here?
No big deal, but somehow I heard from somebody that you guys have a terrible time keeping cups around here.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Use cups.
Carrying them off.
Yeah, Debbie wouldn't carry him off, I'm sure. Oh, yeah.
Raspberry candy.
Okay.
Pretty coffee cup.
That's pretty candy.
Now, see, Justin talks about Adam, but Debbie says the word candy, and look who's in here.
Check that out.
Okay. Christmas time, 1993. Look at that.
Which one? There you go. Those are raspberries.
We got red.
Renee had to take 2.
There you go.
Renee took 2. Adam only took 1.
Let's give that.
What's Daddy got? Handful?
I'll get the
I'll
rest of
take
the
this
later.
one.
What we got here?
Thanks.
Yeah, I heard about Debbie taking those cups all over, so I thought I'd better get
It was
some.
out.
Yeah.
Works in the yard and works in the basement, leaves all the cups laying around.
Yeah.
Take 'em on my bus
People come
route.
over, we don't have any.
Okay.
Grandma needs one.
A little Christmas village here on top of the TV.
I'll tell you. Come here, Nate.
And I forgot to get a picture of it.
Hey.
Well, there we go again. Somehow that reminds me of a tape that was done last Saturday. Okay.
Yeah, I don't hang. Hang on here.
Right.